Hi guys, received a new package today. What could it be? Let's have a look. It's the Stadium USBKIT Microphone pack. Stadium claims this is a professional condenser mic, fit for gaming, podcasting, YouTubing, voiceovering, and music. Not that I'm a professional, but I thought I'd give a professional USB microphone a go. I did buy a different one, a more cheaper one, and it had a 3.5mm jack, but I needed phantom power, so I got rid of that one, and I bought this one. This one's a USB mic, so it's just plug and play. Let's see what's inside. You get another red box inside, looks pretty smick. Hashtag are you ready? Right, I guess we're ready. Let's open it up again. Yep, some heavy duty foam. Okay, so once you open it, you get the user guide or the manual to help you put it together if you need it. Then we've got the squishy windshield that goes over the microphone itself. We've got the table clamp that holds the arm. Whoops, we obviously don't need that bit. It was just a little knob to secure the adjustable arm to the desk mount, and it screws to the back of the bracket, like so. And that pushes onto a piece of plastic that squeezes the arm in place so it doesn't wobble around when you want to adjust it. This is the professional Cardioid USB microphone. Due to its Cardioid feature, it has a front and back of the microphone. So that's the back of it. And that's the front side of it where you're talking to. And that's the USB port. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, put that down. Next we need the shock mount for the microphone. Nice sturdy looking one with a good quality feel, held by elastic isolators. Hopefully they don't sag over time. We'll see. So this is the adjustable arm. As you can see, it's got the USB cable threaded through it, which is great because it won't be in the way. And below here we've got the pop filter. So that looks pretty stiff, that pop filter, so that's good. It'll stay where you want it to stay. Alright, let me put everything together and I'll come back with the microphone testing. I've done a quick video on how it should look once it's built. The adjustable arm should be a bit longer. It just fits over my current screen. I will be getting a new screen soon, which will be bigger. So I'm going to have to readjust my desk and have it mounted somewhere else possibly. The pop filter has a pretty strong steady arm, so you could pretty much adjust it to your own liking, which is really good. Another thing I like about the mic so far is it's got a hidden blue LED inside, which you can just see it on when the microphone's on, so that's pretty cool. The microphone is a Cardioid Type, meaning it gets most of its volume from the front, and as you go around it, it gets quieter and quieter until you reach the back and you should get close to nothing. Alright, so I'm going to change microphones now. So this is the new microphone, testing. So I'm sitting about 30 centimeters away from the pop filter, due to the arm not being able to reach any further because of the screen. If I get up and go about 2 or 3 centimeters away, how does that sound? I don't really know how far away I'll be sitting when I'm officially recording new videos. Guess I'll have to work that out. A feature I do want to test out is the Cardioid feature on the microphone. To do that I'll have to take it out of the socket. I'm not sure if that's the best way to test it, but let's do it anyway. I'm going to rotate it as I talk. So this will be perfect in a scenario where you want to catch minimal noise from the back end of the microphone. So maybe sound reflection bouncing off walls, or if you're in an open office and you don't want to catch people talking behind the microphone. So right now the back of the microphone is pointing towards me, and I'm sitting about 30 centimeters away from it as well. So I'm not up against it anymore. So I'm just going to turn it back around and sit it back in its socket. So forgive me if I make any noises again. When I sit it back down, done. So it does look like I need some adjustments of the microphone to be done before I officially start recording with it. Like it picks up my fan from my computer or my laptop. So I gotta see how I can eliminate that. At the time of making this video, GB Hi-Fi is selling this microphone for $188, and it's stated on the Stadium website that it is exclusive to GB Hi-Fi. I didn't pay that much, but that's how much you may be looking at. So far so good. I'm pretty happy with the microphone. Hopefully it does sound better than my last microphone. Comment below and tell us what you think. Guys, I'm actually after a really good handheld camera to help me film things like this. Comment below with any recommendation. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hopefully this was a useful video, and take care.